People have different kinds of desires, different kinds of wishes, and different kinds of aspirations. And there's nothing wrong in this world we are living. If a person is desirous that he wants to become a doctor, he wants to become a scientist, he wants to become a technician, whatever he wants to become, there's nothing wrong with that. He wants to become mufti, maulvi, a qari. So different wishes are all permissible if it is in accordance with Sharia. But what should be the last wish of the person, or the main wish and desire of the person? He says, my main wish, my main desire, the desire of my heart is that I become a patch of the graveyard of Medina Sharif. Our body must become a patch of that graveyard. Because when the Noor and the Rahmat and the winds of Rahmat blow there, and Nabi alayhi salatu wasallam himself has said, I will make shafaat for the people of Jannatul Baqi. He used to visit it himself. There are 10,000 companions of his buried there. And so much of virtues. On the day of Qiyamah, he says, I will rise. After me will be Hazrat Abu Bakr, then Umar radiallahu anh. Then, accompanied by 70,000 angels, will go to Jannatul Baqi, the graveyard of Medina Sharif. All of them will rise from there. Thereafter we'll go halfway between Makkah and Medina Sharif and wait for the people of Jannatul Ma'la. What good fortune they enjoy. So if we don't have anything else, at least desire that Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala give us death in Medina Tayyibah. But our desire must be genuine. Because on one occasion, one brother, I won't mention that brother's name and from where he is, but he used to always say, Maulana, in your du'as I keep listening, Ya Allah, bless me with maut in Medina Tayyibah. So that's my desire also. I wish Allah Ta'ala gives me death in Medina Tayyibah. So one year we happened to be together there in Medina Tayyibah. So I said, now let us both make dua that, Ya Allah, this trip of ours that you have brought us here, give us death here in Medina Tayyibah and let us be buried in Jannatul Baqi. So he said, Maulana, not this year. Not this year, Maulana. There's still a lot of things to complete back home. The next time, inshallah. But don't make dua this year. Now what kind of muhabbat is that? The person says, not this year, next year we'll see. And the next year will come, we'll say the next year we'll see, not this year. May Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala give us true love of Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam.